I'm about to share 6 crazy underrated side hustles for 2023. These hidden gems have the potential to generate a huge income, ranging from $100 to well over $1,000 per day. The best part is that getting started is as simple as choosing one of these side hustles and taking the plunge. Trust me, you want to know all about these side hustles, so be sure to stay tuned and let's dive right in. So, did you know that you can tap into the huge sales potential of Amazon without the need to start your own business? It's true. Enter the world of Amazon retail arbitrage, a clever trick that allows you to resell products from renowned retailers like Walmart and Costco directly on Amazon for a quick profit. And guess what? You won't have to deal with any of the shipping hassles yourself. All you need to do is set up an Amazon seller account and download their handy app on your phone. With the seller app in hand, you can go into these brick and mortar stores and scan the barcodes of products to check their selling prices on Amazon. By entering the store's price for the product, you can instantly calculate your potential profits. If the product proves to be profitable and there's a huge demand on Amazon, you can buy a few units or even the entire stock, have them shipped directly to Amazon and list them for sale. Amazon takes care of all the fulfillment while you enjoy the profits. The beauty of Amazon retail arbitrage is that there's a whole bunch of stores where you can find great deals. From Target to Dollar General, Marshalls to Ross, the possibilities are endless. Just imagine, with just a few hours spent searching for deals each week, a single fantastic find could easily generate a profit of $100 to $300 or more. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level, you can even apply for wholesale accounts with big retailers, which will let you make bulk orders of name brand items at wholesale prices. So, if you're on the lookout for a profitable side hustle that takes advantage of local retail stores, I really recommend giving Amazon arbitrage a try. You might just discover a profitable and enjoyable way to earn extra income. Now, if you want a more hands-on approach to earning extra income, I have a fantastic suggestion for you: gutter cleaning. This side hustle has the potential to put $500 to $1,000 per week in your pocket within just 30 days. Let me give you a quick rundown on gutters in case you're not familiar with them. Gutters are metal structures installed on roofs to stop rainwater from dripping onto your home. They are a really common feature in most American homes, especially in areas with loads of rainfall. But over time, gutters can become clogged and they might even get mold, mildew, or worst case scenario, collapse altogether. Because of this, homeowners are willing to pay between $100 and $500 to have their gutters cleaned. So getting started in the side hustle is relatively easy and won't cost you much. All you need is a ladder, which you can rent from Home Depot for less than $30 a day, a pair of gloves, and a tool to help you scoop out the debris from the gutters. Then you can drive around different neighborhoods in your city and do some door-to-door sales to promote your gutter cleaning service. I won't sugarcoat it, door-to-door sales can be challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. It will push you out of your comfort zone, and I know that you can easily make over $500 in a single weekend. People really need their gutters cleaned, and they usually like to hire someone else to handle the task. The best thing about this is that if you do a good job, satisfied customers might refer you to their friends and become repeat clients themselves. Sometimes it's the simplest jobs that hold the most potential. So don't hesitate to take hold of opportunities like gutter cleaning, especially if you're young and looking to make some extra cash. Now, if you're looking for a scalable side hustle that you can easily manage from the comfort of your own home, let me introduce you to the world of reselling. Specifically, I highly recommend the art of finding free items that you can flip for a profit. Trust me when I say this works. Starting from scratch with $0, I was able to generate over $350 in just 3 days just from flipping stuff. To kickstart your reselling journey, download this handy app called Freebie Alerts on your phone. This app will send you notifications whenever there's a free listing available in your area across different platforms. Of course, you'll need to sift through some listings, but every now and then a true gem will catch your eye. Thanks to this app, I found a free couch on Facebook Marketplace that turned out to be worth a whopping $800. With a little hustle, I managed to sell it within a few hours, pocketing a good $100 in profit. Now, I want you to remember that when it comes to reselling, time is key. Once you find a good item, you have to act quickly to secure it. Furniture in particular tends to be a gold mine for resellers. When people are moving out, they usually give away incredible items for free just to lighten their load. Now, the only minor setback you might come across is the need for a truck to transport the stuff. But there's always a solution at hand. You can ask a friend for a helping hand or just rent a convenient U-Haul for as little as $25 per hour. I know that reselling isn't a groundbreaking idea, but it's still one of the most profitable and rewarding side hustles out there. Okay, so did you know that every year nearly 50 billion pieces of litter are scattered around the world? It's a huge problem, but here's the exciting part. You can actually get paid a handsome sum of $20 to $50 per hour to be part of the solution. Most retail stores have massive parking lots that unfortunately become littered with trash, usually without any good cleanup system in place. This is where you come in. By creating a list of like 10 to 20 parking lots in your city and doing a little research to find the property owners, you can reach out to them and pitch your services. These property owners are usually willing to pay huge amounts to make sure their land looks good. Of course, if they already have someone managing the cleanup, you might need to look for other opportunities. So I know this isn't the most glamorous or scalable business model out there, but it's an incredibly simple way to make some extra cash while also making a positive impact on your community. So don't overlook the potential of this side hustle. Now picture this, a side hustle that has the potential to transform into a full-time income, giving you the freedom and financial stability you've always wanted. Even though it might not be as effortless as some other options, it definitely has growth opportunities. So ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about dropshipping, a tried and true method that continues to reign as one of the most profitable business ventures for making money in 2023. So, to be successful in this venture, you need to focus on mastering 3 key skills: product research, website design, and advertising. These pillars are the foundation of your dropshipping business. And here's the beauty of it. All it takes is one game-changing product to really push your side hustle to the next level, eventually transforming it into a thriving full-time business. Now, dropshipping needs a lot of dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. It's not a quick and effortless path to success. But if you're willing to put in the effort and get the necessary skills, the rewards are awesome. Just imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere, being your own boss, and scaling your business to unimaginable heights. So let's wrap up our journey by exploring the world of commission-based sales jobs, a world where the potential for earnings knows no bounds. These types of jobs are incredibly profitable because your income is directly tied to your performance. The best part? Loads of these opportunities can be done on a part-time basis, letting you create an extra stream of income along with your existing commitments. In 2023, one of the best ways to explore commission-based sales is by selling solar power solutions. Not only does solar power help build a better environment, but it also saves homeowners money in the long run. Convincing people to invest in solar for their homes becomes a straightforward task because of how many benefits there are, with the average solar installation costing anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000. Sales reps usually earn 10 to 20% in commissions on each deal. This means that for every successful sale, you have the potential to bring in a minimum of $1,500 in extra income. Which of these side hustles will you be trying? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money like a pro. See you next time.